When I first started, I think I was using my iPhone on a DJI phone stabilizer, and I was using an app called Filmic Pro to create stuff with my friends and things like that. Pretty excited about this upgrade. The A7 III, A7R III, great cameras. I'll still use them probably as B cameras to this, but this is gonna be primarily for video work and paid video work. So that kind of stuff. So let's unbox this. Paperwork. Win $1,000 prepaid Visa card. Would put a dent into this payment for this camera. All right, paperwork. Warranty. Register your products, guys. Register them. Once you register them, it makes it easy for warranty. Paperwork, paperwork, paperwork. Okay, more paperwork. Tells you all about the great SONY products. They believe this is an HDMI clamp or some sort of cable clamp. Nice USB-C to USB 3 cable for the camera. Strap. Oh, it says A7SIII. Wow. No one's gonna use that. Oh, it comes with a battery charger, unlike the A7 III. Come on, Sony. Why don't you include a battery charger with that camera? Oh. Plug. So you can plug your battery. Hold on, where's the battery? Oh. Why would you put it all the way in the bottom, Sony? All right, okay, battery is there. 2280 milliamp hours. Small, but powerful. You know, yeah, okay. This is gonna be terrible, but so I grew up Catholic, and so Lent and Good Friday were pretty important church days and church services in here. And during the Lenten season, at least after Palm Sunday, everything in the church, statues, crosses, anything of religious significance is covered up in purple. I don't know why. I feel like I should know why, being a Catholic for this long, and then Good Friday comes around and the cross is like lifted up and the priest goes like, this is the wood of the cross, and on who hung the savior of the world. Of course, I still remember that, but I was just thinking about that, this is the camera of the world, something like that, you know, something terrible. I can't sing, but this is me revealing the camera. Oh Lord, this is, oh my God, oh, that grip. Oh my God, that feels so nice. That's a fat boy grip. That is a fat boy grip. I love it. My hands are small compared to people my age and height. Compared to people of my stature, I guess. But that grip feels so nice. 12 megapixel sensor, shoots 4K, 120. Different bunch of codecs. So you've got UHS 2 slots, and they're also double as CF Express Type A. Now, I think if I'm not mistaken, CF Type A is a new card size. I don't think it's ever existed before the Sony A7S III. And it's a smaller version of basically the CF Express, meaning that it takes up less space in the body and it can be more compact. I wouldn't be surprised if camera companies started using CF Express A because of this fast write and read speeds to put them into their bodies so the bodies can stay a bit more compact and takes up less space internally. But this feels, oh my God, this feels nice. Oh, that joystick feels great. Fat AF on button. And what we've all been waiting for is a flip out screen. Cameras are getting so good these days that really it's how you create as a creator, not so much the gear that you're using. It's how you're making the most of your gear, and I'll stand by that any day of the week. But some nice things to highlight is 4K 60, 4K 120, higher data rates and codecs, and more codecs for this camera, so you can capture a little more detail and a little more information in your image, so that when you go into post to do things like color grade and refine your image a bit further. It makes it a bit easier to achieve your vision, I would say. Dial wheel feels great. What else? Battery door. Oh, just the battery door. Let's see. Yeah, it does come out. Okay. Quarter 20 on the bottom. Let's see here. What do we have in terms of ports? Oh my, full-size HDMI. Look at that. Do you have any idea how many micro HDMI cords I went through with the Sony A7 III and R3? Full-size HDMI is much appreciated. What else is here? Mic input. Nice dedicated mic input, which is, you know, in the previous models, it used to be, I think, mic and another input in one little of these flap openings, but that's great. Headphone. Oh, the headphone one's got its own one too. So that's really, really cool. The headphone has its own little jack. They see USB Type-C. So you can power this using a power bank and a micro HDMI, which I feel shouldn't even be there, man. But USB-C, all the things, I think, in my opinion. But this is the camera that will be my new film camera, and I cannot wait to try it out. It's gonna live in this cage right there, and it'll be great. It'll be wonderful to film with, and I'm excited to see some of the images and create some stuff with it. So that's just a quick overview of the A7S III that I'm gonna be using in my cinema rig.